Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. We are given A, B and C are unit vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to root 3 by 2 times B plus C. So we can use the standard identity for A cross B cross C. It is B times A dot C minus C times A dot B. This is equal to root 3 by 2B plus root 3 by 2C. Now since B and C are not collinear, this term has to be equal to root 3 by 2 and this term has to be equal to minus root 3 by 2, which means A dot B is equal to minus root 3 by 2, because B and C are linearly independent vectors, which is equal to mod A mod B cos theta, which means the angle between them is 150 degrees, which is 5 pi by 6, which means the answer is option 4. This completes the solution. Thank you.